Hello, my kindergarten class. I am your teacher, Miss Garza. Today we are going to be learning a lesson on littering and recycling. The techniques that are going to be covered in this lesson are scientific investigation and reasoning. The students know that the information and critical thinking are used in scientific problems and problem solving. The student is expected to identify and explain a problem such as the impact of littering and propose a solution. So lesson objectives. The student will be able to define what the term littering means, describe the harm littering can cause to animals and in the community, and they'll be able to demonstrate how to properly decompose of trash and recycling. These are some pictures of what littering is. So littering is when people do not throw their trash in the trash can. So these are pictures of playgrounds that have trash thrown all over them because people did not throw their trash in the trash can. So would you guys like to play in a playground full of trash like that? Yeah, I didn't think so either. It looks really dirty and there can be a lot of germs and bacteria caused because people are throwing these trash. Can you imagine like soda, you're drinking a soda and just throwing it there in the playground, not caring if somebody else picks it up? It looks pretty nasty, right? So these pictures are pictures of people littering at the beach. So on this picture, on the right-hand side, we have the beach, and this is people who are littering, who didn't throw their trash in the trash can, and they just left it all over on the beach, on the sand. So eventually all the people's trash ends up in the water. So for example, people leave trash bags at the beach because they brought chips, they brought sodas. So they leave trash bags like these and they end up getting into the ocean. So turtles end up getting these trash bags, as you could see in the picture, and this turtle, he could suffocate. That means that he might not be able to breathe because he has this plastic trash bag on him. Other people leave the plastic of their sodas. So if you could see on this picture on the right hand side, the little turtle has a plastic rings from the sodas and it's stuck on him. So these are things that can happen when people leave trash at the beach. It could also harm animals, such as the ones in the sea. When people leave these straws also, these get stuck into their noses and they're not able to breathe. So when people try to save them, it hurts the turtles to take it out of their nose. So these are some of the examples. The trash bag and the plastic straws and all the trash that gets left on the beach that can hurt the animals. Okay, so what is recycling? Recycling is the process of turning used waste and materials into new products. So let me give you an example. You drank this water bottle today and you're finished with it. So you will go ahead and put it in a bin like this one that will be used for recycling only for plastic, so that they can go ahead and make a new water bottle. So we could have new ones so that you can go, when you go to the store, there will be new water bottles ready for you to buy. But there's only certain things that can be recycled. So plastic can be recycled, paper can be recycled, glass can be recycled, and metal can be recycled. So those are 4 different things that can be recycled. So why should we recycle? So the reason that we should recycle is because it helps make new products faster at a lower cost. So it's faster if you put this in the recycling bin so that the company can go ahead and reuse this bottle. They clean it, to reuse them so that we can have more at the store instead of them going and making a whole new water bottle that's going to cost them more money. They can just reuse these. And it also helps our communities and beaches stay cleaner if we recycle. Remember like the pictures that we just saw of the dirty playgrounds? We can help them stay clean if we put them in the correct bins to recycle. So these are how we want our beaches to look like, so that when you go to the beach, everything is clean. That's how you want your community to look like, your playground to look like. When you go to play with your friends and your family, you will have a clean playground to play in. So I'm going to ask you guys some questions. Would you like to play in a playground that has trash all over the floors? No, I wouldn't want to play in a playground with trash all over the floors either. So what kind of animals get hurt if we litter? Remember the plastic bags that I showed you guys? Yes. So turtles are one of the animals that do get hurt because of the ocean, but I forgot to mention there can also be other animals that get hurt. Like if, let's just say we leave trash in the playground, there might be cats and dogs that might get cut with the Coke can that can also get hurt if we leave trash on the floor. So another question I'm going to ask is, why is it important to throw your trash in the trash can? Yes, that's correct. We should throw it so that our beaches and our playgrounds could look clean, our communities could look clean, because we don't want to have a dirty playground. We don't want to have dirty beaches. Okay, guys, we're going to go ahead and have an activity. So the activity is we're going to get into 4 different groups. But wait, don't move yet, don't move yet. I'm going to explain the activity first, and then I will put you guys into groups. So I'm going to give you each group 3 different pictures of 3 different trash cans. They're all going to be labeled differently. So one's going to say aluminum, the other will say plastic, and the last one will say compost. So I'm going to give you little pictures. Each group is going to have different pictures, and you are going to match each item to the correct bin. So if you have a water bottle, you will put the water bottle in the plastic bin. So like the way it has here in the pictures, you are going to match each picture to the correct trash bin. So remember that I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys each time to complete the activity. It's a little game, and once you are finished, just go ahead and raise your hand. We'll wait quietly for the other students to finish. Once everybody is finished, I will go ahead and check to make sure that everybody has completed the assignment correctly. Once everybody has created the assignment correctly, I will go ahead and go ahead and give a snack to the team who won the game. Remember that this is an example, this game is an example of what we are going to be doing in the classroom. Remember, I had told you guys that in our classroom, we are going to incorporate recycling. So for example, I'm gonna have 3 different bins, trash bins in our classroom. One labeled plastic, one labeled paper, and the other one will be just trash. So for example, if we have one of the bins labeled plastic and you're drinking a water bottle in class, you would throw your water bottle in the bin that says plastic. So we could start recycling in our classroom. Another thing is, once you guys are done, like I said, go ahead and raise up your hand and let me know when you guys are done so I could check your work. Now that we finished the activity, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys your homework assignment. So for your homework assignment, I'm going to give each and every one of you guys a coloring worksheet. So what you guys are going to do, I want you guys to color each item that is considered littering. I'm going to give you an example. This water bottle that is right here, it's in the water, it's considered littering. You would color it. I want you to color any item that's considered littering or recycle, or that needs to be recycled. So I want you guys to go ahead and color them. Tomorrow when you come into class, we will all take out our homework assignments and we'll go over each item that's supposed to be colored, and if anybody forgot one, we'll be able to color it in tomorrow. I'm so excited to see what you guys learned on littering and recycling. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.